Have you ever imagined a fish longer than a school bus and heavier than an elephant? Meet the whale shark, the undisputed gentle giant of the ocean. This magnificent creature is the largest fish on Earth, and it's a living testament to the wonders hidden beneath the waves. Despite its name, the whale shark isn't a whale at all. It's a shark, a very big and very peaceful one, growing up to an astonishing 18 meters, or nearly 60 feet, and weighing over 20 tons. This animal glides through our planet's warm, tropical waters like a living submarine. Its head is wide and flat, leading to a mouth that can stretch almost 5 feet across. But don't let that massive mouth fool you. What it eats is surprisingly small. The whale shark is a filter feeder, a passive hunter that relies on the ocean's smallest inhabitants. It swims slowly, its enormous mouth agape, gulping down massive volumes of water. Inside, a specialized filtration system works like a giant strainer. Special pads and gill slits separate tiny plankton, fish eggs, and small crustaceans from the water. In just 1 hour, a single whale shark can process over 6,000 liters of water. It's an incredibly efficient way to eat, allowing this giant to sustain its immense size on a diet of microscopic life. This feeding behavior is a spectacular sight, a slow, graceful ballet that shows just how diverse life in the ocean can be. One of the most fascinating things about whale sharks is their skin. Each one is covered in a unique pattern of pale spots and stripes over a dark gray background. No two whale sharks are the same. This pattern acts like a human fingerprint, allowing scientists to identify individual animals. By photographing and cataloging these patterns, researchers can track whale sharks as they travel across vast oceans. This has given us incredible insights into their mysterious migrations. We now know that these giants are long-distance travelers, sometimes journeying thousands of miles each year. They often congregate in specific locations, known as hotspots, where food is abundant, like during mass coral or fish spawning events. These gatherings can involve hundreds of whale sharks, a truly breathtaking spectacle of nature. Despite being the largest fish in the sea, the whale shark remained surprisingly elusive to science for a long time. It wasn't officially documented as a species until the 19th century, and even today, many aspects of its life are a complete mystery. For instance, their lifespan is still a topic of debate. Some scientists believe they can live for over 100 years, which would make them one of the longest-living fish on the planet. Imagine a creature that has been swimming the oceans since before your grandparents were born. Another mystery is their reproduction. We know they give birth to live young, with pups measuring around 22 inches long at birth. However, sightings of newborn whale sharks are incredibly rare, and very few are thought to survive into adulthood. This makes every adult whale shark we see an even more precious and remarkable survivor. Now, if you're a diver, you might be wondering, is it safe to be in the water with something so huge? The answer is a resounding yes. Whale sharks are completely harmless to humans. Terre gentle, placid churn, special place in the hearts of ocean lovers. Swimming alongside one is a dream for many divers, an experience described as both humbling and awe-inspiring. Although their mouths are filled with thousands of teeth, these are tiny, vestigial structures not used for chewing or biting. They simply aid in the filter feeding process. Even their eyes are specially adapted for survival. They are protected by tiny, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles, which act as a shield against the harsh conditions of the open ocean. Sadly, these magnificent creatures are facing serious threats in the modern world. Their populations have declined significantly, and they are now listed as an endangered species. The biggest dangers they face come from human activities. They are often accidentally caught in large industrial fishing nets, a problem known as bycatch. Collisions with large ships are also a major cause of injury and death. As slow-moving animals spend a lot of time near the surface. Habitat degradation and the impacts of climate change on their food sources also pose a significant risk to their long-term survival. The loss of these gentle giants would be an irreversible tragedy for our oceans, but there is hope. Around the world, a growing movement of scientists, conservationists, and governments are working together to protect whale sharks. Technology is playing a crucial role. Satellite tags allow us to track their movements in real time, helping us understand their migration routes and identify critical habitats. This information is vital for establishing marine protected areas. Safe havens where whale sharks can feed, breed, and migrate without interference. Ecotourism also offers a powerful incentive for their protection. When done responsibly, whale shark tourism can provide local communities with a sustainable income, making a live whale shark far more valuable than a dead one. These efforts are helping to turn the tide, ensuring that these incredible animals have a future. The whale shark is more than just a big fish. It's a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty of our oceans. It reminds us of how much we still have to learn about the deep blue and underscores our responsibility to protect it. Every spot on its skin tells a story. Every mile it travels is part of an ancient, epic journey. By working to save the whale shark, we are also working to save the rich and diverse ecosystem it calls home. Let us continue to be inspired by their gentle nature and support the efforts to ensure these peaceful giants can grace our oceans for many generations to come. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the whale shark, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible stories from our natural world.